Boom, 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 boom. What up, what up? Just setting everything up, setting it all up. Yo, I turned things around a little bit. Um, yeah, turned things around just a little bit. Yo, what up? What up, Double O? Yeah, Zadia, I have Quant Tower. I trade a personal account in Quant Tower. What's your Quant Tower question? I trade AMP futures in Quant Tower. I like it better than NinjaTrader. It's easier to get in and out of positions. Um, it's easier to get in and out of positions. Yep. Come on. Come on. Come further down. Once I pass these evals, I plan to use a rhythmic copy trading with props with my personal account. So you can get NinjaTrader, set up the copy trader, and still trade on TradeAvate if you want. Yo, what up, Ray? What up? What up? Yeah, so you could set up NinjaTrader, but still trade on TradeAvate and copy trade. So you don't have to get Quant Tower to copy trade. Quant Tower is pretty cool though. I mean, I got it. Once you get it, if that's the way you're gonna go, I could show you my setup. I still use TradingView to look for things, but I definitely like Quant Tower. It's smooth. NinjaTrader is just not smooth to me. It's very bulky. Oh, don't. Are you kidding? I'm not fucking chasing. Not fucking chasing. Dude, that's 3 ticks away. That's $200 right there. $200. Oh man, these guys are freaking something else. Yo, the sim market makers are watching me. I'm not moving my order. I refuse to move my order. Oh, I'm gonna fucking miss it. So I got like an eval or something I could just fucking slam. What up, banging? Yo, what up, Sean? These fucks won't come down and fill my funded order. They won't fill my funded order, so I have to blow an eval. There we go, 144. Oh, you guys. They did me so dirty here. This wick I should have gotten filled. They bounced it up, and then they brought it straight through on me. No. Every time I get on the fucking stream. Huh. Come on. I am freaking nervous. Nervous. Oh, I would have made fucking so much money. Blew a wealth charts. Dude. How is wealth charts? Are you allowed to use real accounts with wealth charts yet? Yeah. I up 4% today on gold. Jeez. Gold's up. Right back in the orb. Right back in the orb. Traded right through. So I can't believe they wicked me out. So I back tested this trade, by the way. So this trade where you trade through the bottom and come back up, they wicked me out. I almost want to get back in though. I'm gonna get back in with a 5. So I back tested this trade where we go when we're in the orb and you basically travel pretty far down and you wick through. When you trade back into it, the success level was pretty fucking high. I only did the first one though. So the first time we actually closed would have been here, and you wouldn't have gotten, what did you get, in 10 points? But I back tested this one Saturday. I got a whole video that I went back like Man, I went back a lot of. I went back as far as TradingView had data for me, and I back tested when you trade under the 15-minute orb, and then back through the hourly, and then I back tested the bounce being above, coming back down. You have to be 50 points above the 15 or 50 points above the hourly to come back for a bounce. Dude, you got an email yesterday? I most definitely did not. Did you trade it every day, Andy? Did you trade it every single day? Oh man, I did not. Yo, they really should give you PA accounts for all that work. It's a lot of work trading it every single day where they're collecting data, making sure it all works to just. How many accounts did you get? Like 3, or did they hook you up with like 10? You only needed 7 days of trading. I didn't even do that. I cut it out after the first day. After the first day, I was out. Yeah, you got to pass or smash. Yeah. Man, the market just feels freaking weak in general. Like, I know we just bounced a ton, but I don't know. It just kind of feels weak. Yo, I passed my first 150K account in a while. $10,000. Yo, passing one of those is freaking rough. That was a 1-day pass, by the way. Super fast. Super fast. Was it even a day? Like really fast. I don't go higher than the 150s. That's out of my range. Yeah, well, I went 15 contracts. I took 15 contracts right here, I think, and then I just went up. Dude, super hard to pass. Super hard to pass. Look at this shit. It's going to rework this. You see that just move? The VWAP just moved. The VWAP was lower. Now it's higher because fucking Tradeovate can't calculate it right. Oh, man. Yo, I just hooked up a water filter at my house. I showered, hooked up a water filter at my house. The water's actually pretty good. The VWAP. I am long. I'm long. It says it right here, just at the very bottom. Long 5 micros. So I back tested this trade. When you trade a distance and you go under the 15-minute orb or the hourly orb and then trade back through it, the percentages are in your favor for some type of decent sized bounce. The truth, though, is we didn't get it at all. I mean, we got through. I should be in this trade at really at like 73 because this candle closed right here back in the orb, and that's when I should have taken it. And I did, and I got wicked out right here, and now I lowered my stop. But that's where the entry would have been, is at 73, 74 would have been the entry. And then, I mean, you could have gotten 10 points out of it. I'm curious if we bounced through, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like a dead cat bounce. It looks like it's bear flagging and it's going to limp dick down. Yeah. I mean, I'm out. The old limp dick down is what we got. I mean, that trade could have given you 10 points. I mean, it's funny. When I take the 10 points on this trade, the thing bounces fucking 60. And then when I don't take the 10 points, it goes negative. I did this all Saturday. It's like a 20-minute video on my channel if you want to watch it. And I literally back tested it. Just the one time I fucking don't take baby gains. Every time I hold for the bigger gains, I lose money. Every single time. Every time. This looks really good for you, Walter. I can make it go back up, though. If I short this right now, it'll go back up. Yeah, I make more money from 9:30 till 10:30 than any other part of the day normally. That's solid, bagging. It was a nice move. Yeah, I'm watching it. It's at 1. Dude, if you would have caught it, you would have caught the bottom. It was right here. It literally bounced off the bottom. I just don't want to buy it. If you caught if you caught that pivot point, Sean, you're up. You're up. You would have sniped the bottom for almost 20 points. Almost 20 points in the bag. They just bring it right back up. What up, Bartol? I went over 30% on my new PA account, up 900. Is that bad? What firm are you using? What firm? And then I'll be able to tell you if it's bad or not. Oh, what is he using, Baba? I mean, if it's yeah, I mean, 30% is fine. You could have up to 40% in a lot of them. Oh yeah, that's true, Baba. Yeah. That's a good point. Oh, Victor, I gotta send you the thing, dude. I'll send you right now. I mean, honestly, I thought we would have continued lower. You are a lot of lettuce in operations. You can't hold it. What? Dude, I don't know what that means, man. You are a lot of lettuce in operations. You can't hold it. Smart money day trading. I think you need to use I don't know, man. I think I would assume, don't take this the wrong way, but I assume you're not from the US and you're using the wrong words, is what I would say. I've never heard of you're a lot of lettuce in operations. I don't mean to offend anybody. I'm just saying, I'm just being honest. The English is not, I can't, usually I can make it out, but I can't even make that out. He might be on drugs, dude. He might be on drugs, bro. That's freaking hysterical. I have zero issue. No, because I know there's a bunch of people not from the U.S. in the chat. So like, I don't want to say anything bad, but it's clear his. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what he meant. He's on that special, the devil's lettuce. All right, he's on the devil's lettuce. That's it. Nothing like getting stopped out and 10 minutes later you would be in profit by $200. By the way, I am going to start testing something. The reason I passed a 150 account today actually was I'm gonna start testing something out. It's kind of like a trend be your friend type thing, and it's just going to be used on the 150 funded account. So I'm going to see how it does. I'm going to see if I can take it to a payout, but it will not be anything. I will be making zero decisions. I have a couple indicators and I'm going to move it off of that. And it's going to take my whole thought process out of it. And I'm going to see. Just got free Apex Wealth Charts email. I did not. I did not. I don't think I'm going to get one though. Good old NQ. I hope all you guys got them, to be honest. Yo, Ray, is that you in the Discord? 1Bor3D guy? Is that you? With your German beer? Would I ever try Margin Channel with a cheap Apex account? I mean, you can, visible. You definitely can. Why not? Joyce, hi, Coach Trader. I think you asked me something a few days ago, but I'm studying English now, so I still understand very little. I'm sorry for not answering. Thanks for you. Joyce, your English is pretty good. Unless you're using a translator to post in the chat, your English is pretty good. Like if you type that out, you're doing a great job. Smart money day trading is back. He says sell. Damn, I just faded you for 90 bucks. I'm just playing around. I was thinking about going long before. But yeah, smart money, you got to write like something more than just sell. Like, what are we selling here? We selling feet picks? Thankfully, I did not use PW code to buy evals. Oh, because you're getting 3 free ones right now. Baba, you got the wealth charts? Thanks. When you write, I understand better. Yeah. You need some voice to text, right? Is that what it is? Good old Friday. So I got a couple ideas. Oh, man. There we go. I got to catch up on the chat. I don't know what hold on. I'll be honest with you, Cove. That wealth charts is, yeah, Baba. I tried to use it and I couldn't do anything. I didn't like it at all. I was never going to use it. I'm glad it's not another email from Darrell selling computers. Yeah. But even less slippage in projects. Yeah. Dude, that Project X slippage shit's crazy. Closed captions. Listen, I hope you guys all got free accounts, man. I hope you got free accounts because, hey, why not? You know, do you have to use the free accounts on wealth charts, or if you can use them anywhere? How does that work? Is there like a specific only wealth charts? Ooh. I would have to just hit the buy button on there and just not look at the rest of the shit. Man, we are hanging at the bottom of this orb. Yo, flip, flip, flip. Oh, is it gonna fucking stop me out? Hold the orb, baby. Hold it. Hold the orb. It's not holding the orb. It's holding the orb. It's not holding the orb. It's not. We're out. I hate when it starts doing shit like this, the chop around. Boom, 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 boom. Man, this price action is just freaking rough. And they're bringing it right back in. I'm not in, but if they scoop it back up. I've gotten chewed up so much right here. I am literally just getting yo-yoed. I have been wicked out how many times and they just bring it right back up? Why do you put stop gain if you never let it arrive? Because if I just put an order in, say I just put an order in right here, right? So if I put an order in right here, I'm going to have to put a sell in myself, right? And then I'm going to have to put a stop loss in myself also, right? Now, if this trades up and hits my gain, right? It will not get rid of this order. So this order will stay here, which means I then have to come in here every single time and click off the side that didn't get filled. So at least if I buy in like this, all these orders are connected. So if this one gets filled, this one gets deleted. If this one gets filled, this one gets deleted. You kind of get what I'm saying? Yo, what up, Jack Boom? I'm also very weary about the market. I would say you need to get over this 108. It's stuck under the 34. It's in like a weird spot. Can't get over the 34. 200 is right here. And it's just trading in this range. You will do, Baba. I had a BOS and a Wyckoff Model 3 tap. Maybe buy high, sell low. It's in a place where I'm not interested. Yeah. The only interest me right here would be to the upside, which obviously I didn't fucking hold it, but what up, Sam? I back tested that freaking I back tested something else that I'm going to try on Monday. I want to try it out a couple times before I put it out there and people fucking copy, because it's not. I need to forward test it. Look at that. They just gave it right back up. Just 20 something points too. Yo, like Ice Cube said, man, no Vaseline. Yo. This is that price action that gets you. So this one indicator gave me a buy. I'm getting a couple buy signals. Dude, 0. Yo, did I take any profit today? Yeah, I'm actually, I think 1 day away from another payout. I'm either 1 day or 2 days away from another payout right here. My next payout is probably going to be 700, 800 bucks. I'd like to take out one every week with Topstep. It's my only, it's my only account with them. I'm not a Topstep fan, to be honest. I might just try playing the range here. The one time I play the fucking range, though, watch, it just breaks down. Just seems every time we're bouncing off the 200. But yeah, I mean, I'm at 3 payouts this year, so I would like to take another payout next week. I'm close on 2 Apex accounts. I'm close on a Topstep account, and I'm close on a My Funded Futures account. So there's 4 accounts I could possibly take a payout with next week. We'll see what happens. We'll see. Yo, you know what I wanted to see? Yo, how do I handle taxes on my payouts? I mean, it's the payouts are technically ordinary income. So it's just like you got a check from somewhere. That's the big deal about once they push you to go live, do you trade live with the firm or do you just get your own account? Because yeah, you get 1099. You know, a lot of people are like, what's the perks of going live with an account? Because once you're live, you could trade only one account with them. You know, some firms only have like Topstep, you can only do one account. So why would I trade live with Topstep with one account when they're going to take part of my profits and you're not getting the perks of the prop firm being able to have multiple accounts? So basically, people are saying like, once you go live, if the account gets blown, whatever, you just go get your own live account. Because if you trade with your own account, there's better tax benefits. So I trade with my own account already. I am not live with any account. I'm live with my AMP account. Yeah, John, you manually add them up and deduct that from your payouts. That's expenses. That's definitely expenses. What about better speak to an accountant and see what you? Yeah, 1000%. This isn't financial advice. Way to say something, Alfred. This isn't financial advice. This is just what I do. I give it all to my accountant, and my accountant handles it. Yeah. So, Alfred, I actually have a master's in accounting, by the way. Yeah, I have a master's in accounting. I used it for 3 months, and I left accounting. What up, David? Yeah, I mean, yeah, no, how I do it. So I package everything up in an Excel sheet and I send it over to my accountant. I take out everything I spent on trading, which is prop firm evals, trading view costs, trend spider costs. I take everything I spend on trading, all the softwares I use, and then I put it all in an Excel spreadsheet and I send them my information. You know, I'm not going to say this, but I mean, in theory, this is a theory. Like when you do your taxes, there's no supporting documentation. Like you're just giving your accountant your 1099s and then like a bunch of random numbers, to be real. Like, the reason you keep all the supporting documents is if you're ever audited. If you're audited, you want to then have all the supporting documents. But, you put everything in a spreadsheet, you send the guy everything, and I save everything on my computer. No, I still hire an accountant, man. I'm not doing my taxes. I'm not up to tax code. Uh, I'm not up to date on any of this stuff. So I am, I'm out. Yeah. So, Ray, if you're an accountant, I mean, that's completely different. I do know how to do my taxes, but I'm not doing my taxes. That's the best way to put it. You know, I could do, I've done corporate taxes, you know, this shit's just gonna fucking puke. Puked. That was a nice little move. Um, but yeah, I mean, just remember, man, anything you use. So if you're sitting there, the pivot point's right here. Oh, I freaking got that both ways, man. I just Eiffel Towered that trade. Got it both ways on the way down and the way back up. 120 on the way down, 95 on the way back up. Dude, they just ripped that back up. This definitely sucked people in short, and they just ripped it right back up. Um, but yeah, just remember, and you know, softwares you use, evals, anything that you do, man. I do not, just so you know, I mean, talk to your accountant, but like I do not write off a home office. That's actually the number one thing that the IRS will go after you for is home office. So I don't write it off because it's not really, it'll help, but it doesn't really help that much. But like I know dudes that are like writing off their fucking internet, and I'm like, bro, you would have your internet at home anyways because you're at home. Like writing off the internet seems a little stingy. You know, I'd rather just not do that. I'll just give you guys a little tidbit. I was audited by the IRS last year in my main business. In my other business, I was audited, and dude, when they come, they'll find anything and anything. You know, wrote them a check, and everything was done. But yeah, it's crazy, man. You can write off business lunches, meals and entertainment. You get, was it half? I think it's half you can write off. Ray knows better than me, but yeah, I think it's 50% meals and entertainment. Yeah. Island Boy, I wrote a check. I wrote a nice check too. Like a fat check. We got, I'm not even gonna get into it, but wording on a platform we were using was not correct, and they were nailing anybody that was using the platform. I mean, I don't have, so my main business, I have a bookkeeper, but for trading and stuff, I do it myself. It's all online. Like my whole E-Trade account is all done for you. Um, I'll just go through the year, take out my eval costs. It takes me about 4 hours to do my taxes. How did you ride it out, down, and then up? How did I do it? When it broke here, I sold. See, I made 120 bucks on the way down. And then on my other screen, I have this up, right? So I have my pivot points on my screen to my side. So once it hit the pivot point, I took it long and I wrote it back up. Just what you see here is not, I'm just not trading, just looking at this one screen. I have three other screens, 4 total that I have trading. So this is not just what I'm looking at. Like, I'm looking at a lot more information than just this screen. We'll have to connect on the side business, Cole. Yo, you're always welcome to message me on Discord, man. I don't put it out to the public. I actually have a couple different businesses. I own a business with Jay, and I'm in manufacturing on the other side. You know who I'm looking for, actually? Corey. Is Corey Ratcliffe in here? Never forget, this thing is a turd, and where turds ultimately end up. Yeah, shoot me an email, man. You also own a business coaching firm. Yeah, man, I'll, shoot me an email. Free longs, baby. We manufacture everything. Parts, signage, submarine parts, business parts, metal manufacturing, baby oil. Definitely baby oil. All day. Every new batch, I got to try it out to make sure it's as good as the batch before. Diddy, baby. Bro, I wish I was selling Diddy oil as baby oil, man. I'd be rich. Yo, I got baby oil wells. Yo. Baby oil wells. That's fucking hysterical. That's how I buy endless evals. Just pumping out the freaking baby oil. Yo, you know what's funny is when I trade my personal account, my win rate's like 90+%. But I'll only make like 1 trade a day. If that. Like, if I don't like the price action, I don't trade in it. And that account just keeps growing. It's crazy how that works. By the way, my Topstep money hit my account on Tuesday or Wednesday. They take like 48 hours to pay you out, if anybody was wondering. 48 hours or like 72 hours maybe. Yo, anybody hear of Iron Beam before? Anybody hear of Iron Beam? Yeah, Keyshawn, when I do, it's literally like I take it maybe once I do not like trading my personal money when the candles are 20 things at a clip. Typically not what I'm looking for. Because I trade with micros and I hold for longer, I typically look at like the higher time frames to, possibly lose a fair value gap or something like that. I'm trying to think. My last trade, I think it was Wednesday. Iron Beam does a lot of advertising. They just emailed me. I don't even know what it is. Is it just another prop firm? I think it's an actual futures broker. Interesting. Yeah, it's an actual futures broker, I think. I was trying to get on Webull, but Webull's being a little. Oh, is it like AMP? I'm not a huge fan of. I like AMP. Don't get me wrong, but I feel like the commissions are high. Dude, this thing is just killing me. Internet, yeah. Was it Interactive Brokers? Is that what you're talking about? They're good. They've been around for ages. They've been around for ages. I have to do some research this weekend, man. I got a bunch of dry powder on the side, and I'm waiting to put it into the market. And I was waiting for a dip, and apparently the dip is. I feel like the dip is here. I feel like the dip is here. That if we start getting another 700 points down, probably start adding things. Yo, TradeStation is like, fuck, they've been around for ages. Yeah, TradeStation was like the best back in like 2007, maybe 10. Oh, I don't even know how old TradeStation is, but when I was trading back in the day, TradeStation was like all the talk. Anybody that had good money in the market was using TradeStation. That was big, and then that trading algo software, buy on green, sell on red, every Sunday morning on the TV. I think it might have been Anthony Morrison on it. I forget. But yeah, TradeStation was like everybody was on TradeStation. I used Interactive Brokers back in the day. I don't even know how I settled on E-Trade. Yeah. Oh, they started in the 80s? Yeah, I want to say it was 2007, 2008, maybe even 2006. Yeah. It was the software to have. Dude, are we just gonna chop here for the next fucking hour? Like, yo, I'm in too many group chats for my kids' sports. Too many group chats for my kids' sports. Yo, 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 what up, Carlos? Yo, Bullnox finally activated my other accounts I've been waiting for. I had them, they just never activated them. Oh man, this is crazy. The chop is real, people. Oh, I thought you passed them all today. I thought you just went all in, Carlos, just today on 20. That would have been freaking crazy. Nice job. What are they, all 50Ks? No full port. Yeah, I mean, that's a lot of money on the line. What were you trading? Just like the trend with a couple micros? Trend trading, micros? Yeah. Let's hit him with the clap. Dude, that's nice. I might actually get into something right here. Of course, the second I fucking buy it, it goes down. I mean, why would I have it any other way, people? Any other way? It can't be any other way. It had to go down. You know, anytime I fucking do anything, the initial reaction is always the opposite. I've never tracked how non-farm payroll is at the end of the day. What up, Jay Stores? What up? What up? Yo, TikTok says it could go dark soon. Use micro snow. Yeah, that's a smart idea. Am I selling? I'm in long. I'm in long. Just kind of feels like Yo, imagine they shut TikTok off. What are all these people going to do for money? Dude, I can't stop at 11 a.m. Can't stop, won't stop. All I had to, I'm going to call up Apex and tell them I hit the wrong button. I meant to go short. Dude, imagine they banned it though. If they banned it, that would be crazy. Look at this. It can't get over. It just can't. I'm getting a lot of red signals up in this joint. That he's going to protect it. I think he wants it to be sold to the US. I think that's his big thing, is to try to get it in US hands. You're going to bounce it. Forming the M. Dude, it's about to kick me in the nuts is what it's going to do. Do you know something equally or worse awful will just take over it? I mean, people will go to Instagram or Facebook and stuff like that, but dude, these influencers that built a business on TikTok are going to be fucking hosed. Hosed. I mean, your whole business is gone. I mean, they can. I mean, the government can do whatever. I mean, are the red and blue boxes fair value gaps? The green, yeah, these are fair value gaps that get inverted. So this red means it was a fair value gap on the way down, and then we traded back up through it. So we inverted it. I'm inverted. What's my honest opinion? Do I think Trump saves it? I think it has to get sold to a US company. The problem is all these Americans are using this app, and it's Chinese app, and it's on their phone and everything else. That's a big issue. That's a real big issue. Yeah, that is a drawback of relying on a third-party app. I built a business one time relying on Squidoo. How's that sound? And overnight, it was all taken away from me. And I was making like $10,000 a month on it. And Squidoo decided to change their policies one random day. And I got completely hosed. I lost the whole business I was building on it. I mean, if the US purchases it, it'll stay around. I also think Trump is going to use it as a bargaining chip with China at some point. He's just going to say, okay, then I'll just ban it. You know, I think there's going to be a big there's a big Trump game. Does this hold? No. Did I hear what happened to California? No, what happened to California? What, you talking about the forest fires? Yo, pretty much. China. China.
China. China.
Market's still dumping, yeah. Oh, the HMPV virus? Yeah, I don't really know anything about it though. You know, I don't know. I don't think it's going to close the economy or anything like that. You know, like COVID. Yeah. Yo, Corey, I've been looking for you, Corey. Yo, you never hit me up on Discord, man. I was going to help you out with the Google My Business. Corey, you hear me? I see you, Corey. I was going to hook you up, man. Dude, this thing's going to go fucking. Wow, they're just dumping this thing. Yeah, yo, send me an email. You have my email. Do we hold 21,000? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, if you send me an email, Corey, I'll hook you up. Price is bearish. Price is definitely bearish. Fred, what'd you take it? The bounce off 21,000? Yeah, I mean, if you're not going to try it at 21,000, I mean, precisely. We'll show in Discord. I try to talk about what I want to take. I can put things in easier. I don't know. I'm open to anything that you guys want to do. I am going to work on. I am going to work on more of the longer term hold trades. That's why I've been doing 5 micros on some of my things, and every time I've done it so far, it has a has been a negative effect on my account. But I'm trying to figure out, you know, I want to take longer term swings to make it easier on the room where I'm not scalping as much. But like when we're trading like this, it's a very scalpy environment rather than, you know, something where you actually have direction. Yo, Corey, I emailed you back, brother. I sent you where you need to sign up. And that will get you on the map pack. You keep getting topped, Fred? Yo, if you got questions, Corey, I'll help you through it and whatnot, without a doubt. Yeah, man, it's all good. I mean, if any of you guys have local businesses, you guys should sign up for Google My Business. Just throwing it out there. Gotta stop getting topped, man. Be more of a power bottom. Oh, man. Are we going to take this ride? I'm going to take this as long as it doesn't close above right there. Next pivot point is 984. See, so like this is the hourly, right? You know, when it trades back through this fair value gap, that's where like I would trade my micros in my AMP account, and my stop would be the high of the candle. Oh, I just got taken out at the top. Oh no. Oh no, look at that. Not a bear? Dude. I just get top ticked. I'm not even gonna play with this thing. See, so here's another one I was gonna play around with. This script is pretty solid. Like, it just has, you know, when you break the trend, you just kind of play it. I'm just playing around with some other secondary indicators to it feels like we're going to dump. I'm not even going to play. It feels like we're going to just dump. The only thing that sucks is you got 21,000 sitting right below us. Which you bounced off twice. Once, twice. You know, it doesn't look good, but that 21,000 just sitting down there is not what you really want to see. I mean, although if we do break it, you will flush. Boom. Come on. Was that it? A fucking wick? A wick? Come on. Come on. The fact that they're not pushing it down is definitely worrisome. Just throwing it out there. Do I take profits? I will take $210. Only because I was making back that loss and we're getting towards 21,000. We break this 21,000, you're going to flush. If they balance it here, breaks over 31 to the upside, you got a double bottom there. It could be a powerful double bottom. Super powerful. Lots of bottom talk here. Boom. Man, I'm coming out spitting hot fire on freaking Monday. I can tell you that. Power hour bottom. Oh man. Bulls are gay. Yo, what up, Peter? Yo, where did my screen go? That was weird.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Bro, that's how next week is going to be. I'm telling you right now. We actually crushed it this week up until today. But next week, Roots and Truths. What's up? Burned a Traderify PA that $100 from a. Oh no, Fred! I will beat that. I was $4 away from a payout in Apex for $2,000. $4, and I blew the account. All I needed is $4. Bro, I can't wait, Neo. I can't wait for all the sound bites. The sound bites are amazing. There's just too many sound bites that are great. Yeah, $4. I was on Rhythmic. I was on a Rhythmic Trader Pro, and I bought real quick to scout, and the software messed up. And by the time I got back in the software, I was down $400. And then from there, we'll just say it went downhill quick. Oh, geez, knob, 38 cents. I mean, at that point, like, I was trading one micro to try to get it over, and just didn't work. Just didn't work. Yeah. So they were having errors with Rhythmic connection when I did it. Look at this. Look at this double bottom. I'm probably going to take a shot here, and a stop is going to be put in place really fucking tight. I'm just looking for some money. This is, oh, fuck me. Are you kidding me? It's funny. It bounced 1, 2, 3, 4 fucking times. The one time I do it, doesn't bounce. Doesn't bounce. It'll bounce 4 fucking times. I do it, it doesn't bounce. We might get a flush here, by the way. It might just fucking throw up. It might just throw up. Where's the pivot point at? 84. I'm out. I'm out right at the pivot point. It's sitting on it right here. It's sitting on the pivot point's face right here. Let's see what happens. I think it's going to sell through. I have a feeling it's going to sell way through. Look at that bear flag. If we could bounce back up here and sitting on the pivot point, rotating. But that's why I took it off. Look. Look at that. Yeah, crazy. That's right where it bounces. I mean, I'm in short, and I have this weird feeling they're going to sell it sell it off. I'm in half position. I'm in half size. If it drops below 980, I go magnum size. So we'll see what happens. Is it last week's low? See, I have previous day. I don't have the last week. I got to add that. See, I have this. Hold on. I'm going to mess around with this after the stream. I did not know that was last week's low. I probably would have taken it. I'm not getting any email from Apex last few days. So weird. Did you deny Darrell? Yeah, I don't know why you're not getting any emails. You check your spam? I would check your spam, man. Because they're definitely sending a lot of emails. That I can tell you. I get emails every day from these guys. Yeah. Banging, that's probably a good spot to end it. That is probably a good spot to end it. Man, this market is freaking whiplash city. City. Boom. Good thing is after I burned that PA with Traderfy, I was able to pass just another one. Oh, so you're doing the PA, the evals? Oh, what the fuck did I just do here? You don't even want to know. So stupid. I'm just working out of this fucking. Oh, man. Death by paper cuts. Horrific action. Yeah, you ain't kidding. Yo, C-Man, what happened, Peter? I was actually selling calls against my position in HIMS. That's what I was just doing. I was managing my shares position and trying to collect premium for next week. So I was just managing that. Who is that trader? What up? What up? Dude, they just bounced this thing. Look, it's right back in this breaker bar. Watch this. Watch it bounce right out of this zone. Damn. And then they just brought it right back. Bro, you just got topped. I'm keeping this fucking tight. Tight. Dude, these candles are fucking atrocious. You just got top. Yo, that's what happened. I'm out for today. Yo, I'm telling you, I'm collecting that premium over and over. Over and over again. Today's, what do you call it? Today's Friday. So this is where I roll my positions to, you know, to next week and things like that. So I'm just looking through everything I got to make sure I collect, you know. Got to come in and collect. Got to make that cashola. Bo. Damn, Celsius got freaking shellacked today. This is why I can't do this. It's just impossible to look at it and not be cursed. Watch, it's coming all the way back. All the way back. Dude, that pivot point was fucking money. I should have just fucking went all in. I should have went all in with 3 cons. Yo, it went all the way back. All the way back. This has not been my day. This has not been my day at all. That I could tell you. I think they're going to do something in the day. Either push it super hard or drop it super hard is what I feel. You're going to get some type of massive ass move here. Dude, this is what I was looking for fucking 2 candles ago. 2 candles. Why couldn't you do this 2 candles ago? Yo, so couple things. Take Profit Trader is going to come out with some big news very soon about their platform and rules. Just throwing it out there. They were supposed to come out with it today, but I think they're going to come out with it next week. And I'm just letting you know that things are supposed to be pretty good for us. We'll see what happens. But this deal ends on Sunday, the 40% no activation fee, and you get your eval money back. So just throwing it out there. It ends Sunday, and I want to say they're going to announce the rule change probably right after this is done. That's the word. The word on the prop firm streets is some big changes coming. Damn. They might just close it at 21,000. Oddball vibe about them. They're going to be making a big push in 2025. I think they're going to become very trader friendly because they've been like the firm that no one. I feel like they've been the firm that's kind of not been out in the public. It's just kind of there. And I think they're going to be doing a big push to be trader friendly. We shall see what comes about, though. Hey, men, how are you? What's up, Manjeet? They better have their risk team on the ball. I don't know the exact thing, to be honest with you. I've been told that they're coming out with something. That didn't turn you on when he asked how the men were doing. Yeah, I don't actually know what it's going to be. If I had to guess, the daily loss limit is going to either go away or become a soft breach is what's going to happen. You can either have a soft breach or they're going to get rid of it, or they're going to move to 1 day to pass. I would think that any one of those or a combination is what they're going to end up doing. If they did the daily loss limit is gone or soft breach, what happens is they're going to announce, this is what's going to happen. They're going to announce it after the really good deal is over. So you're not going to get the really good deal. You're going to get whatever deal that they're running after that. I'm hoping they announce it before Sunday ends. Because if it is something like that, where the daily loss limit, they're going to pin this at 21,000, I think. If they come out with it after the deal, they're going to have whatever deal is there. I don't know. But I'm hoping they announce it before Sunday, so if it's really good, I can load the fucking boat up. But we shall see. We shall see. But I think that's something like that I feel like is coming. They've just been making, just what I've heard and whatnot. So we'll see. Dude, this is going to get pinned right here. Everybody made money today. I guess it's all on my Twitter feed. I guess, man. I guess. I asked myself today, and I'm not on Twitter. Oh, am I going to fucking do this? What? Oh, get the fuck out of here. Really? Oh, am I going to do this? Am I going to do this? Am I going to do this? I don't know. What do I want to do here? Dude, I got completely fucking. I'm thinking, fuck, I was the only one that took. You were the only one that took counter trend trade? How'd you go against the trend for 200 points? It's, you'd have to go with the trend for 200 points, right? Just blew a pro because the daily by $30. Oh, geez. Dude, that's rough. That's super rough, man. I just feel like that's what they're going to do. Just, you heard it here first. That's what I think. That's honestly what I think. Nice, man, G. Good job, man. I was $4 short of a severe blowout. What? What happened? What happened? What happened? $4? How do you get? I'm just curious. So you were $4 away from destroying the account. How'd you get it back? That kind of ruins the weekend and the next one. Oh, Dude, you hit the daily loss limit on 10 accounts? Jeez. Jeez. Dude, that would have been rough. Oh, didn't blow it. Dude. You copy trade 10 accounts, man? That's a lot. Especially if they're all funded. Man, this thing just... I hate this price action. Look at this. Coming all the way back down. It's going to come all the way back down to 21,000. It's going to come all the way back down. All the way up. Nothing can stop us. Come on. Man, I got kids basketball tonight. Dude, I just want to relax on my couch. I got so much stuff going on, guys. I got to do kids basketball at 6 o'clock. No, 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock I got this kids basketball at. Dude, kids basketball is rough. I got kids, something's up with this PA undercurrents and the jobs numbers being blown. Dude, there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. A real lot going on. I have a feeling, I'm not saying it's going to happen next week, but I have a feeling that the market is going to take a pretty good dip. You know, we're going to see a pretty sizable dip. You know, we've come down a bunch. You know, if you look, I mean, the high was 22. You know, we're down about 1,400 points. You're kind of forming, if you look at it, like a wedge. Eventually, this is bullish if that plays out. But I would love, I mean, if it traveled all the way down here, that would be pretty cool. That's lame. Why isn't it showing my notification on your stream? What notification, man? What'd you send out? What'd you do, man? Monthly measured move down. I don't have a monthly measured move down. Dude, I tell everybody, see that bell? See that bell? You have to click the bell. Make sure the bell, and it says that you get notified. You got to do that. And just so you know, I'm live every day, 10:30 until noon Eastern time, and then 2 o'clock to about 4:30 Eastern time. So you know, those are the times I'm live every day. Dude, that's not a great monthly candle. I mean, I guess it's like this monthly candle, and then we went back up, but starting to roll over on the monthly. Yo, the last time we rolled over, see, normally it's like flat where it's not a big deal, right? But normally it's flat. Every time, the last time we rolled over, we rolled over. No, you know, that's monthly. I mean, it takes a while to happen. Bro, if we get 16,000 on the downside, woo, would I love that. I would love that. Believe me. I would be back. Bro, all of a sudden you'd just be hearing the beeping noise from the truck, and I'd wave you. Me just backing the fucking truck up at 16,000. I would be all in. Yeah, what are you measuring though? Like I don't. What would bring you down to here? From the breakout over here, like the breakout, I guess, the top. You know, because they do the measured move. What is that? 16. So the measured move on here is like 21,000 something, kind of right where we topped off at. Yo, what up, Joshua? I mean, would make sense because that was the breakout point right here from the high of 21. I mean, look at this monthly. I mean, geez. I mean, I don't think people realize that how much the market is up. I mean, we're at a the market's up a double since basically January 23. In 2 years, where the market's a double. That means it's just too crazy. It's so crazy. You know, do I think something's going to happen tomorrow? No. You know, this is a monthly. This is going to take time. And not that it really matters to prop firm people, but like, you know, I think you're going to zigzag action unless something big happens. And then it would look like this: red, 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 red. You need something that brings it down. Either the dollar getting too strong, inflation coming back. You need to have a theme. The theme has to be negative. I don't think you're going to get a theme until Trump is in office. So I think we're going to be in kind of like a holding period for the next, 2 weeks. And then you're gonna get a theme. It might be China tariffs. It could be whatever it could be. But you need a catalyst to drop the markets. And I have so much dry powder waiting for me on the sidelines. I will. I'm more than 50% cash right now. I'm more than 50% cash. So I plan on eliminating some of this other stuff also. So it's going to be interesting. You're like 7% cash. Yeah, no, I'm in cash. I'm waiting. I got even more cash to throw at it that I've been saving in my bank. You're holding a bunch of puts on the housing market? Bro, I just watched The Big Short again last night. I'm almost done with it. I'm like right there. Yeah, usually you get the blow off top is usually how it ends. Yeah. The blow off top is always the top. We had it on, what do you call it? I remember trading right here right before COVID, where we kind of, I know it doesn't look like much, but like from November, we went from 8,400 to 9,800, which is a massive, in 2 months, we went up like 15% in the market, and then COVID happened. No worries. Yo, probably nothing, as the crypto guys say. Probably nothing. Probably nothing. Don't worry. Yeah. Credit card debt is like at an all-time high. Housing prices versus what you can afford. Housing is at an all-time high. Mortgage rates are up. It's pretty crazy times, man. Pretty crazy times that I'm going to start on my other channel talking about individual companies and things like that rather than just stock options recap videos. But yeah, I'm going to start doing some research this weekend on stuff that I'm going to want to start buying. Like, you don't want to start adding too early, because there's nothing worse than like adding at like 20,500 and the thing goes down to like 17,000 and you're like, dude, I added way too early. So my first ads are going to really start at 20,000. I'll start taking nibbles at 20,000, and then I will start adding in the 19 to 18 and just kind of get it in that range. How much did we fall? 16. So we fell like 6,000 points from the top. 6,000 points, yeah, brings us to about 16,000. That's why I don't want to add too soon. If we do drop super far, I don't think we're going to drop that far. I'll be honest with you. If you dropped 20% from the top, you're looking at 2,200. You're looking at like 18,000. 18,000 is about 20% from the top, and 30% actually brings you down to, yeah, I would say somewhere around there if we get a pullback. I'm not saying we are. I'm just saying if we get a good size pullback, you're probably going to get to like 18.5 to as low as probably 16.5. But if you're waiting and you got money on the side, you could make a lot of money in like a month or two. It's not, you could definitely play puts and things like that. I wouldn't buy puts right now personally, because I have a put butterfly, but like I wouldn't buy puts because the thing hasn't really come to light. So you can just get faded out where time will just eat you alive. I wonder if you bought like, you know, it'd be crazy if you bought QQQ like a huge ass spread for like,
the markets are closed.
Like if you bought $500s on the Qs, now you got me interested in this. So you'd come down to almost 400. So if you did 500, just say you sold 430s, and then 70 more dollars would bring 30 to be 360s. So that would give you, you could buy a put butterfly 500, 430s, 360s. It costs you $10. You could make as much as 70. I don't play the VIX and stuff like that. I'm going to get some water. We're going to run these ducks at 420. Yo, everybody, start add your thing. Add your thing down there. I'm going to fill up my water. BRB. Coming back. Coming back. Woo! I'm back. Oh. What up? What up? Give everybody a couple more minutes. Try to get a payout right here next week. Look at the 3-day. The 3-day. You mean like the 3-day chart or like the hourly over 3 days banging. The 3-day chart. Like that? Three-day equals poor man's weekly. What? Yo, I've never heard of the 3-day, to be honest. I mean, we are getting a little, eventually this is going to break to the upside, and I think we're going to retest, and then we're going to roll over. That would be nice. 3-day, that's crypto interval. I didn't know that. Yo, on Monday, I'm testing something out that's pretty interesting. So we're going to find out. Yeah, the market likes to move in legs. If 3 multi-time frame to egg. So the market likes a third leg. I get it. A big third leg. Look at the strength of those candles. It gives good context. I'll take a look. I'm not opposed to anything. I think in general, I think in general, we're going to get one more pop up. You're going to get like the Trump pump, kind of like as he comes into office. I think what he's like, it's the 26th. So I think you're going to get like a Trump pump on the, we might trend down a little bit, and then you're going to break out of this wedge to the upside. And maybe we go back up to maybe, somewhere around here. And then I think that would be the end. Trump's going to come in office. I think once he comes into office, I think it's going to drop a lot. That's my honest opinion. I think the first month that he's in it, it's going to dump down pretty hard. I think next 2 weeks before Giant will be another drop. I mean, 3,000 points is a lot. I mean, 3,000 points brings you all the way down here. I mean, we go down 3,000 points in 2 weeks. That's like shutting the economy down in 3 weeks. We've been dropping, and it's only, we dropped 1,400 points. You'd have to do more than double that in 2 weeks. You'd have to do double this drop in half the time. So you just get massive candles. Market sending a Trump. I just think that once Trump comes in, he's going to start being like tariffs and this and that and whatever, throwing his weight around. And I think you're going to get a dump. I'm willing to risk personal money on it. Fractal swing projections and retracements. Dude, I'm into hearing all of it. I'm into hearing all of it. Listen, I just want to win. You know, I just want to win everywhere.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of
I want to be tired of winning.
Say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Yo, next week when we're winning so much in here, you're like, stop it. Go, stop. I can't take it anymore. It's too much winning. Yo, you got questions in the email? Let me see. Yo, you didn't email me back any questions, though. What were the questions? We'll be on the right side. All right, let me run this duck thing, and then I'm going to help Corey out. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah. Yo, that's what it's about, man. You ask me questions. Come in the Discord. Are you in the Discord? It's free for anybody that's not in. Only because you could show me screenshots if you have questions, or you can message me privately and I could help you. But I'll help you out, man. I'll help you out. I just sent it. Yo, I'll be around this weekend, so if you do it, I'll help you out, man. I mean, that's what it's about. We're gonna run this thing. I can't see the screen, but if you're new here, we stream every day, 10:30 till noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. If you're not getting notified, click that bell thing at the bottom and just turn notifications on to all so you actually get notified. Wow, there's a lot of people. Okay, we're gonna do 2 races, and then the 2 winners are gonna race because there's so many people. I might have something real interesting coming up next week also to be for giveaways. I'll find out probably by Monday, but I might have some real good stuff by the weekend next week to give away on the stream. If you want to support the channel, use coupon code COVETRADER. It's at the bottom. It works literally on all the prop firms. Take Profit Trader, Apex, you name it, Tradeify. And that's what allows us to give away free accounts all the time. Oh my God. I don't know why this thing always does that. All right, so there's gonna be 2 races. And then the winners play. If the same winner for the morning stream is on the afternoon, we'll rerun the afternoon. So the same person just doesn't automatically win. This is whoever was on the morning stream. So if you don't see yourself and you weren't on in the morning, that's why you don't see yourself. Super simple. Quack, quack, baby. Cole, put up a technical challenge in your Discord. All right. It's up. I put it up for you. I'm up, dude. You could post it in the middle if you want, like in the main. You can put whatever you want in the main channel, man. It's all about just helping everybody out. Who's gonna be winner number 1? Yo, Muhammad, you're out front. Too soon, Junior. Is Palooza here? You got 2 minutes. Are you here, or we're gonna rerun it? Palooza. 4:26. I'm hitting the rerun button. Do the dance. Trader 007, were you here in the morning stream? This is only people that were around on the morning stream. All right, Palouse is here. It's all that. It was only morning stream people. If you're not on the morning stream, come hang out. 10:30 to noon. Here's all the afternoon people. Sergeant Duck won. Woo, bum, 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 bum. What do we got? Dude, there's a chump duck right here. Quack. Quack. Yo, I was so bored yesterday that I bet that New York City is going to have less than 8 inches of snow this month. Dude, I want to win, baby. Smack them ones. Uh-oh. Who do we got? Zane. Two 28. I'm rerunning it if you're not here. Is Zane here? Yo, betting on snow is wild. Dude, I got so bored yesterday. I bet on snow. Dude, that's crazy, Alfred. I mean, there's 77 ducks. Stay blue. You got 1 minute. One more minute. No, I threw, I think, $50 on it. $50 to win like 70 or something. Dude. Remember back in the day I was typing these? I used to type these all fucking. He's switching to the right account. I logged in that account fast. Wah. Wah. Quack, quack. Let's go. So I'm actually going to test 2 things next week with 2 different funded accounts. And we're going to see what happens. I already back tested both strategies. Both strategies are winners, but we'll see what happens when I forward test them. I'm willing to lose the account. One I'm going to do with a 50K, and one I'm doing with the 50K, and one I'm doing with 150. Yo, Zane, email me. Send the old email. I think I could take a payout right now, but I want to build this account up higher. Give me a minute, but I'm here. He's here. He's here. Yeah, all good, guys. I mean, that's what it's about. That's what it's about. I'm going to actually see if I could take a payout next week if this hits over $1,000. Yeah, man, all good. All good, man. Hopefully, we had a great week except for today. Today was the worst day of the whole week. The rest of the week was great. Rest of the week was really good. So we'll turn it back around on Monday. See what happens. Oh, man. Dude, the markets actually got crushed this week. Crazy. Boom, 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 boom. Anybody got questions? Now's the time to ask questions. If you're interested in stock options, we did the stock options stream on yesterday. That video is on the channel. I don't know, man. Questions, talks, what you're thinking, what you're doing this weekend. I got Discord. Did I win? No, you did not win, Peter. Well, a turd can't float forever. Eventually it sinks. What's the best way to cook a New York strip? Yo, heat your grill up really fucking hot, like 550, and then throw it on the grill. Just some pepper, little salt, and then you put a little thing of, not a lot, just a little butter on it. That's all you need. What happened to the other ones? The other ones were better.
What do you mean, which other ones?
No. All right, I'll come out in a little bit. Which one of these dumpsters is better? The one on Main Street or the one on Maple Avenue? Jeez. There's many rumors that say Apex is going to rug pull. Apex made $10 million in a month. They're not rug pulling anything. Always hot sear at first. You got to lock in the juices. My family, yeah, you might be talking about My Family Futures. That looks like a rug pull. Yeah. I don't think Apex is going anywhere. You know, rumors like, you know what? Yeah. I mean, definitely, you know, the prop firm is the prop firm. You know, obviously, they can be here today, gone tomorrow. But, you know, at the end of the day, ooh, is this going to just dump here by close? All in the family, cousins, sisters, grandma. Yeah, I'm out on that. I'm definitely out on that. Just remember, Take Profit Trader, the deal ends Sunday. They're not going to extend it. That is the last day to get Take Profit Trader what they're running. After that, I don't know what they're going to run. I have no idea. But just let everybody know, Sunday is the last day. This looks like it's going to dump. Fuck it. Fuck it, you know? Why not? Why not? What's the worst that could happen? How long? I'm going to try buying the domain once it becomes available. Fast Track Trading. I'll buy the domain, and I'll have the video of Scott blowing a kiss every time you go to it. Just on a GIF, just blowing kisses constantly on a. The fuck? Oh man. So yeah, so I'm gonna do 2 different strategies. If you're getting mugged by 5 guys, what do you do? Dude, I don't know. It's probably not going to end up so great for you. Yeah, bend over. I'm going to make a video about these 2 strategies every single day when I do it and just kind of recap. Or if I don't do that, I'll talk about it on the stream. One is an opening day trade. So it's only going to be in the very morning. And the other trade is more of a trend trade. So, hey, no, this is what I'm talking about, Fred. I didn't make the video. Actually, I made the video, Fred. I made the video and I did not put it out. I wanted to forward test it, and I forward tested it today. And it hit, it lost, and then it hit. So, you know, but I lost $100. I am going to test it every day next week, and we'll see what happens. I'm willing to blow 2 PA accounts on this. So I'm going to copy trade 2 PA accounts, and it's going to be my lowest PA account. So whatever, these 2 are the lowest ones. So I'm just going to take my lowest value PA accounts, and I'm going to copy trade them on this strategy. And then the other strategy, I'm going to use this 150 PA account that I'm going to get on, I'll have brand new, and that's going to be on the trend one. So who wants to play Overwatch ranked with me? I'm Diamond 5. I don't know. You can't test it with micros. So the opening range trade is going to be minis. It's going to be 2 minis. I'm trying to get four points each way, so it'll be 8 points total, and basically those trades will be done for the day. The trend trade is going to be 20 micros. 10 micros I sell out at one position, and then I go 5 and 5. And looks good. Dude, they might just like flash this down. I'm just going to keep a sell right there. So I'm going to go over it once I don't want to go over and explain it all, and if it's just shit, but I back tested it It's actually worked back testing. If I played the back test, if I played it the last 15 days, I would be positive 52 points. So if I was, 52 points in 3 weeks of trading is what the accounts would be up. So if you're playing 2 micros, every 10 points is $400. You have 400 times 5, you'd be up over $2,000 in all the accounts if you just followed the rules. And today, 1 hit, 1 lost, you would be down a little bit, but net, you'd still be up like 40, 48 points. So that's where I'm at. Net 48 points. So listen, if you had a strategy that could make $3,000, I'm taking this, $120. If you had a strategy that made $3,000 a month and you copy traded that on 10 accounts, it would give you 30 grand. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing that, and I'm thinking about upping it from 2 micros to 3. Not 2 minis to 3 minis. 3 minis would net you probably like $4,500 a month, and you would be up. That'd be really nice. So I'm going to be forward testing it. I did it today. It was 1 for 2, but there's been many days where it's 2 for 2, 2 for 2. It went on a streak, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days in a row. You would have gotten 8 points. So that'd be 80 points that you'd be up. It just went on a streak. But yeah, I'm going to back test it. And then I got a trend thing. I did a 150 because I'm going to need some drawdown. So that's why I did that account. I'm going to need some drawdown on this strategy. So we'll see what happens. And that's pretty much it, guys. I am going to blow out of here, and I'll put out some stuff over the weekend. And I will see you back Monday at 10:30 in the morning. All right. Peace. Go enjoy your friends, your family. Go get some fresh air.